Before I start my speech, I should like to thank all the members of parliament cutting across the party line who were so helpful in trying to get standard people of Tamil Nadu back to our state, and especially our External Affairs Minister, Sri Jay Shankar, who really helped us to get to people who were stuck in outside the country and making sure that they came back home. So, before I start blaming the government, I would like to just read a choral from Tirukkural, which says, Idiparai illa emara mannan, Kedupar ilanum kedum. It means a king who doesn't have good advisors, who stop him and tell him that you are doing wrong, don't do this. If he doesn't have such good advisors, if he doesn't listen to such good advisors, failure will fall. This is a perfect example for our government, where no one has the guts or courage to go tell the Prime Minister that you are doing something wrong. His own cabinet doesn't have the courage. Sir, I would like to ask something. We realize in the 3rd of February, the first case of corona was reported in Kerala. We should have woken up. We should have closed our borders. We should have started a checking. But how could we do? We had Namaste Trump. Trump is coming. And it was a big photo opportunity movement for our Prime Minister to take photos and videos in Gujarat and show off. So what happened? We gathered people. When Corona was starting, we were gathering people and we had Namaste Trump. So in fact, when the parliament gathered, it was supposed to be closed in a week's time because of Corona. But what to do? A big coup happened. Madhya Pradesh Congress government was falling and you wanted to take power there. So, silence. No one spoke about Corona. Even members of parliament were not allowed to speak about Corona because the Congress government had gone to the court, Supreme Court. If the parliament closes or if the country closes, then the floor test can't be done. So what did he do? Members of parliament were not allowed to talk. Sir, in 18th of March, in Rajya Sabha, our honorable vice president asked a member who was wearing a mask to get out and come in without a mask. So that was the attitude of this BJP government. Same thing happened here on 19th. Sir, I have all respect for Speaker. I rose on a 0 hour to speak about the subject about Corona. I was asked to sit down. I was not given an opportunity. That was your careless attitude which brought the coronavirus to its peak in India. Sir, what else did you do? Sir, you had the lockdown announced. 4 hours time? 4 hours time for people.
मारन साहब, देखिए चेयरमैन राज्यसभा के बारे में जो टिप्पणी की है वो बिल्कुल गलत है, आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए, उसको जो कार्यक्रम से निकाल दीजिएगा प्लीज. जरा सावधान रहिए.
I spoke to the vice president, sir, not about chairman.
No.
I spoke to the vice president.
Okay, now please proceed now.
Okay.
Please proceed. Now it's over. Okay. You should have not done that.
Okay, let me speak, sir. Sir, I do not know the lockdown was announced. 4 hours time for us to prepare. Sir, I don't know, sir, whenever a Prime Minister comes at 8 p.m., only bad news follows. In 2016, he comes, he announces, he makes every Indian stand in the queue before the banks and to take their own money. Similarly, he announced the lockdown on 24th of March and asked us all to stand before without even planning. There was not strategic planning with the states. The states were unaware. We never expected such a big lockdown and nothing happened. Chaos. And sir, again, our Prime Minister comes at 8 p.m. and this says, okay, now we are in a lockdown. I want all of you to clap your hands as if we have achieved something. What have we achieved? Sir, and our Sanghis, do we have to say anything about them? Instead of clapping their hands in the balconies, they are all gathered in the roads spreading the coronavirus because the Prime Minister asked to clap their hands. Sir, the worst thing, we had one of the ministers who was, I should thank him because he phrased the word, go Corona, go. Sir, this became such a trending phase and thankfully, the reason I thanked him because it was said in English and it was not, he was popularizing English. Usually you'll be popularizing Sanskrit or Hindi, but this was the trending thing. Sir, can Corona go? Was that a scientific approach? Then our Prime Minister comes and says, light up a candle, light up a lamp. Sir, did they do it? Everyone, all the Sanghis joined the road, bursting crackers as if we have won the Corona war. Sir, they all thought, sir, I have respect for Prime Minister. the Prime Minister says today, I'm going to honor all the health workers. We are going to allow the army to send the helicopters to flower them. Sir, one doctor friend of mine said, what is wrong with the Prime Minister? They are asking us to stand 1 hour before the event in the sun because the Prime Minister is watching the television, so we have to come out, which could be utilized to save the patients who are dying in the emergency units. Sir, this is not that. This is what I said. Tirukkural said. There should be some good advisors in the cabinet to say what you're doing is PM. What you're doing is wrong. There was not a single person. Sir, I don't know what is the obsession with our Prime Minister, with Donald Trump. Sir, when Donald Trump results were announced, demonetization was announced. When Donald Trump came here, sir, in New York, the situation was bad. They didn't have hospitals. They had ships. So Donald Trump arranged a warship as an hospital and converted hospital. Sir, we have enough places. You know what our Prime Minister does, sir? He converts trains into coaches. Trains into emergency hospital. Sir, is there any making common sense, sir? So don't we have enough marriage halls, government buildings in our country which can be converted into emergency units? Sir, what was the cost, sir? Sir, I'm the only speaker. I'm the only speaker. They disturbed me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there's a lot to speak, sir. Sir, it was
5 minutes only for a
No, sir, 10 minutes, sir.
Please.
Sir.
Okay, now.
Sir, because I'm telling the truth, you can't stop me, sir. This is what happens. You don't allow people to tell the truth. Someone should say the truth. That's what the opposition is doing. Sir, I am asking, sir, in the time, what we did, we had a fantastic lockdown. The most strictest lockdown. Did we utilize it? We failed. Before those times, corona cases were only in thousands. We could have used the opportunity to develop the infrastructure to make sure and ensure the lockdown is much more stricter and do it. Sir, we lost the time. We lost the golden window. We let the corona go spread and everywhere, sir. Then we realized, the Prime Minister and the cabinet realized the economy is shut. There's no money coming. So you go the same speed. Now open up. Let's open up. And sir, the biggest joke, and before my honorable member who spoke, we said that the government gave money. Sir, that is one of the biggest lies, sir. Sir, not a single person has seen has got money, sir. And companies can write off postpone their loans, or whoever has to pay the payment for the cars can repay it later. Sir, it never happened. In fact, the banks never listened to the finance minister.
Please,
sir,
continue.
I'm just finished.
Please.
3 more points, sir. Sir,
Quick
sir,
points.
our Prime Minister came. People expected something because the Prime Minister of Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand came and announced what they said is, do not worry. Don't worry about your employees. We'll give you 80% salary for 6 months to your employees. Do not send them home. Do not. But what did he do, sir? Sir, this is the first thing we did is 30% salary cut for all the members of parliament. Sir, it's a good thing. We are ready to give our salaries, even 100%. Sir, the message went down the line that if the Prime Minister can cut the salaries by 30%, every private company reduce their salaries for the employees 30 to 40% and made someone a bit jobless. Sir, we are talking about people are working in company. Sir, India is a population of middle class who all depend on daily earnings. Sir, people who drive the auto rickshaws, people who work in the Uber, people who work in so many, which is depend upon one man's salary. Sir, for 6 months, they were left in the lurch. Sir, what happened, sir? Sir, instead of helping them, the biggest crime they did was our government started blaming the Muslims. They said in Tabligh Jamaat, in the incident here, because the Malaysian Prime Minister had accused the government, sir, our government went and said the Muslims were spreading the coronavirus. Sir, in fact, we all know the case. It was not the truth. But end of the day, sir, what happened, sir? The effect of that. Because we arrested them, we tortured them. So what they did, they have tortured all the workers, immigrant workers who were in Malaysia. And most of them are from my state of Tamil Nadu who are unnecessarily harassed because of the wrong attitude of the central government. Sir, my state has the 10% of the most affected case. Sir, we are struggling. Sir, money is not coming from here. Sir, people are not able to do it. Sir,